The algorithm doesn't suck. It's your video. That is the reason why you're not getting to the next level. I'm going to tell you the top mistakes. How do you show back up again? You don't know what to post. So get ready. First one is that you are not watching and consuming TikTok. The second point, not getting to the point, hooking them in and making sure that they get to the point. The next mistake that you may be doing is not using hooks. Think about different ways that you can engage them. If I started TikTok this year from scratch, this is what I would do. Here are 5 ways to achieve XYZ. I just came from blank and this is what happened. Give them a glimpse of what's going to happen at the end of the video, and that way you can wheel them in. The next mistake, posting sporadically. TikTok wants to push out your stuff, but if you're only posting once a week, they're not going to be pushing it because they know that you're not going to be posting often. Make it a goal to stop focusing on blaming the algorithm. Instead, make better videos to find our ideal client, and our ideal client can find us too. How do I even start? Don't post on TikTok anymore. How do you show back up again? You have to decide what's going to be your consistency that you can stick with. Maybe 3 videos a day on TikTok's not going to be okay with you. Like, you're not even capable of doing that yet. That's fine. Can you do one? Know this, that algorithms do reward when you are consistent. Have some sort of planner / idea hub. I personally use Notion because it's virtual and it's connected everywhere on a computer, online, and on my phone. And if I get a really quick idea or a caption that I love that I want to recreate, I'm able to take that screenshot or the link into my Notion calendar. You can do that on notes. You could do that however you want. If you want my Notion calendar, I'll leave the link below. You need to make this a non-negotiable. So you need to make time for it. You need to treat it like you're checking into your business to a building to get paid. Because why is it that we work for our boss? We work and we do every single thing we tell ourselves that we have to do for this job. But when it comes to marketing yourself, your product, your offer, your business opportunity, you don't do it. One reason why you might feel like, okay, I really don't know what to post is because of the lack of clarity. I know you hate the niche word, but if you just pick something that you know that you're good at, shift your niche into your focus. I love talking about online business and making money online. So technically that is my niche. I don't overly focus on this. I'm going to share what I want while still staying inside of my category. I know I can just make a video about how to make money online in 2024, how to make money online this year. Viewers are likely to follow you because they know exactly what they're going to be getting from your content. A few of the questions that I have: what do you want your audience to think when they first see your brand? How do you want others to feel when they come into contact with your business? And this is even your social media. What do you want them to feel when they show up on your page? What do you want to be known for? That's another way that you can niche down. What do you want to be known for? So these questions are really guide you to thinking about what is it that you want people to know you for and purchase from you. Jumpstart live video. Start engaging with them. Just go live for the heck of it. You don't have to say, hey, I'm back. I haven't been here. Depressing thing. I do have a few videos on how to go live on TikTok if you already have 1,000 followers or so, but you don't need that for Instagram. So just go live. Even if 0 people show up, who cares? You can also personally just ask people how they're doing. Start interacting that way. Start off with a poll. I love talking about different things as far as content. So I ask for feedback. Should I record this type of video or should I record this type of video? When you're delivering consistently and you continue to perfect your craft, get better in front of the camera every single day, and attract your ideal audience, that's when you get the possibility of high-ticket clients, consistent clients, opportunities to have brand collaborations. Little old Senya that had 0 followers here on TikTok, I've been able to do that. Tell me below what your goal for TikTok is. And in the next video, I'll give you a few other tools that will help you explode your TikTok. Bye.